Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. This is not my usual video setup. This is something a little new because I wanted to bring something different to you all today. I just learned about this company. It's not new, it's new to me, but it's called PLEXUS. And I had never heard of it, but as I understand, it's been around for a long time now. I have heard about different supplements and nutritional programs and things like that, and I've never just been real interested in it. I was, however, kind of interested in NutriBurst, the NutriBurst system. I saw a lot of people doing that. I know people that's doing it like in my area. I've been to different fairs and stuff with booths of Nutrisystem and stuff, and it always looked interesting. And I've read about the program. I almost bought some one time, but something just was like, I just never did. And since coronavirus has been going on, I wanted to, lose weight because I have been gaining weight at home with coronavirus. We haven't been as active and things like that. So put on some pounds. So there's several different reasons why I wanted to try this when someone close to me brought it to my attention. And that was one of the reasons why. I mean, I know a lot of different people, trusted people who sell other things, but this person, how some people, it's just like, man, it's working for them, I better try it. So this person that's real close, I've known her for years, and so she asked me to listen to a presentation, and I'm like, oh, another presentation, somebody selling something. And not anything against people who do it, because people close to me do it, and she was doing it. And at one time I sold different things. So you always want to help someone out, but it's like when you're busy and things like that, it's like, oh man, another okay. So I listened to it, and it was past interesting. It was very interesting, to say the least. This person was from my area, so the person that I knew this person, and she was talking about this plexus and the triplex system and stuff like that. So she had a testimonial. She had an autoimmune disease, and I forget what it's called, but she was basically, I won't say bedridden, but she was in pain all the time, and just, she had little children too, and she was married, and she was like, she just felt stuck. She couldn't do the things she wanted to do with them, and she was just tired, and her husband was trying to help her look for different things or whatever, and someone on her Facebook page was talking about it. Her husband somehow saw it, and he got her to try. She was like, I don't want to try one more thing. And he said, no, I think you need to see this. And so he got it for her, and she started the plan, and she is just on the mend. Her autoimmune disease is basically at zero. And I was like, wow. And then to boot, that got my attention. But she said she lost weight. And I said, I need to lose some weight. And she said that was just kind of like a byproduct of just getting her gut health. It's basically, gut health is the culprit of so many things. And a lot of times we just think we're getting older, or things are whether it's environmental or whatever. Sometimes we don't think about the gut health, and people sometimes they say, well, I just eat bad, and that is true for a lot of us. But once you eat bad, those things, they get stuck in your system. So if you don't cleanse yourself out, and then if you don't start replenishing your system with good things, then you're going to keep feeling bad, tired, lacking clarity of mind. Sometimes you get brain fog. I have gotten brain fog. And so then, in being of this season too, with menopausal type seasons and stuff, and hot flashes, the one thing, one supplement, a vitamin, helps with hot flashes and stuff. When they said that, I was like, So anyway, I ordered, to say the least, I ordered it, and I'm excited. I'm going to unbox on camera. Okay. So I got the PLEXUS triplex system. PLEXUS triplex. Okay, that just tells me what's in it. And here is the X Factor Plus. This is the vitamin, basically the daily supplement, the vitamin. High potency multivitamin and multi-mineral, ultra concentrated and superior bioavailability, microbiome activating complex. Okay. So anyway, that's the the multivitamin. And then also it has the bio cleanse, and this is supposed to help cleanse you out naturally, get things moving in there, get you cleansed out. Helps cleanse the gastrointestinal tract, reduces gas, bloating, and occasional GI discomfort, helps promote regularity. So I didn't have a big problem with that, but still I heard other people's testimonial, and they said even when you don't think you're that bad off, once you start taking these, you feel like you never thought you would feel, or you feel like you're supposed to feel, but you didn't know you could feel like that. So that's that. And then I have the ProBio 5. It restores balance, helps keep intestinal yeast in balance, helps support a healthy intestinal tract, supports healthy digestion. And so that's that. And we know we need these probiotics. They've been talking about that a lot. I've been hearing about that. And I have been on a probiotic before a while ago, so I know that they do help. So that's that. And then you have this microbiome activating, this PLEXUS Slim, and they call it the pink drink. So it promotes the growth of beneficial gut microbes, supports healthy glucose metabolism, clinically demonstrated to help you lose weight. So now this one lady says she lost 20 pounds. When I was talking about that did the testimony, she lost 20 pounds in 2 months without even like trying. So this is just her, taking the supplements and different things, and she's just feeling awesome. She's looking awesome. There was a lot of things that was going on with her because of her autoimmune disease. She said that just cleared up, and she had energy, and she hadn't had energy in years. So I was like, let me try this. My energy has been decent lately, but I have had bad bouts of when my energy was low, and I had brain fog and stuff like that. So if you've had like H. pylori, let's see what else, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut, different things like that, this is supposed to help that too. So I'm like, I don't have that, but oh my goodness. Anyway, it explains all the things that each one does, tells you how to use it and everything. So anyway, I won't go through all of it. I just wanted to let you all know I'm starting on this because the different benefits that it has and the testimony that she gave. Some things I have issues with, plus I'm ready to lose weight. And I know hopefully with us moving around the house while we're redecorating and remodeling the house, I'm real active doing that. So maybe that'll count as some exercise, because I don't exercise often. I exercise maybe just a couple times a week, but not enough to get some weight loss going. And my eating habits are not the best, and especially with what we're going through now, staying at home, and you get, I won't say you get, because I'm not bored, I got too much to do to be bored, but you just reach for things that are unhealthy. And I'm trying not to buy those things at the store, but when you have kids at home, like, and I'll have another one, Jalen will be home soon from college, because she'll be graduating, and she loves to eat. Isaiah loves good stuff in the house to eat, and I know you got to train your kids and stuff like that, but at certain points sometimes that's just hard. So, and sometimes my husband, he gets a sweet tooth, and they be looking for something good to eat, and when there's nothing to eat in the house that they want, who do they look at? You. So you get stuck sometimes. You see the chips that's supposed to be for them, you see the candy that's supposed to be for them, and the cookies and all that stuff. And I am not gonna lie, I am not the best eater. I eat good things, I do eat vegetables, and I eat the fruit and salads and all that, but then I still don't eat the best, other junk foods and things that we have lying around. I eat that too. So yeah, I needed something to help with that, and if it helps to curb your appetite, helps you to lose weight, help with brain fog and menopause symptoms, I'm all about that. So I will let you all know how this PLEXUS, the triplex system, that's 3 items, plus I ordered the X Factor vitamin, because this one they said it helps with hot flashes, and if it helps with hot flashes, I will let y'all know. And if this thing works for me, if I lose weight and it helps with other things, I will most likely start selling this. And I told my friend that I would start selling it if it worked. I probably will. So, and I will let you all know if it's working and what it's doing for me. I'll keep y'all updated, okay? All right, so I just wanted to come on and show you all that. And yeah, it's Plexus, and I hope you all learned something from the video, or if you're interested, you know, and you want to keep watching my progress, because I know sometimes it's like, well, let me see if it works for you, then I'll get it. So I'm going to let y'all see how it works for me. All right, y'all have a blessed day. And if you are new, welcome. Look around my channel. I have plenty of other videos about a lot of different things. And give this video a thumbs up. I would love for you all to also subscribe and have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. All right, love you guys. Be blessed. See you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.